Welcome to the NTG video series. In this video we're going to perform a rapid deployment of workstations using the NetApp Rapid Cloning utility and VMware vSphere. This process allows you to speed up provisioning of your virtual machines, it creates less load on your administrators, it allows you to leverage the NetApp storage intelligence of your NetApp storage. It's really simple to do, and it allows your administrators to perform these tasks in a single pane of glass management which they're familiar with. Our demo environment is 2 ESX hosts, 1 vCenter server, some NetApp FAS3140 controllers and some disks, and a number of templates. In this video we're going to quickly clone a WinXP template machine multiple times and connect the cloned VMs into vCenter. If required, we could also add these machines into a VMware View or Zen Desktop Broker. Here's our template sitting in our environment. If we head into it and check out the data store usage, you'll be able to see it's sitting on our NFS data store and currently taking up about 1.6 gig. If we go down and click on System Manager, we can bring up the storage view and we can see inside our NFS data store we're using about 5%. Back into vCenter, if we right click on the template, go down to the NetApp menu item, select Provisioning and Cloning and then select Create Rapid Clones. This will bring up the wizard. There are a few storage controllers available in this environment. We're just going to use the first one. Also, a couple of ESX servers are available. Once again, we're going to use the first one, although their storage is connected to both servers. This is already a thin provisioned machine, so we'll use the same format. A bunch of options are available. You can import it into a connection broker if you wish. You can upgrade the hardware version if you need to do so. We're basically going to pick the number of clones to be 15. We're going to use the default name. If you wish, you can also apply a customization specification, although we don't need to do that today. Click Next. It allows you to select the storage. As mentioned, we're going to use the NFS storage. Click on Apply and the process will start. You can see down the bottom there it's doing a rapid clone. That is a file level flex clone of the original template within the volume. Once that process is complete, it will kick off a number of other clones to allow the image itself to be cloned. If we head back into System Manager and refresh the storage, it's already used up 1%, but that's pretty much all the storage we would expect it to be using throughout the whole process. Once it gets going, each clone takes anywhere between 10 and 15 seconds to complete, and it will just head through and finish all of those clones. This can be used to simply and easily deploy large numbers of machines. It may assist you in a rollout situation or even more so in a DR situation where you may not need to keep a number of machines online, but you can deploy them as required. This also prevents you from having to keep all your machines online. It stops you from needing to patch them. Often it may stop you from needing to license them, and this can save you an awful lot in the long run. If we check the volume usage in the data store, you can see that those machines are being created. As mentioned, once you start this process off, there's no need to do anything. You don't need to sit there and continue to click and create machines. And it also uses the NetApp Flex Clone process, so these machines are actually already deduplicated as well. There's no need to run through a second deduplication process in order to get back any space. That's actually already been done, and they're natively deduplicated. If we head on into System Manager, we can have a look at the current usage of the storage. If we refresh that, we can see we're still only using 6% in our 35 gig data store. We go back into VMware. We can have a look at the summary of the NFS data store. If we refresh that, we can see that that space usage has been made available. There's no other requirement to do anything. Currently using our 15 provisioned machines, we have used up 2.94 gig, using up 15 1.6 gig machines. So, we've shown you how to automate your process of provisioning to provide significant savings. It frees up your valuable tech resources to do other sorts of things. It's simple to configure and simple to use, and we showed you 15 machines provisioned in about 5 minutes. So think about the time that you can save through a number of different processes. If you like this video, or if there's anything else you'd like to find out about this process, please come and find us at www.ntg.com.au. Thank you for listening.